my wash and go. I have already washed my hair and I've sectioned it into 4 sections. I used the Hydrate and Repair Conditioner by SheaMoisture. This is what I received in my second box. And I mixed that with the DevaCurl 1 Decadence conditioner. And together, it made it really easy to comb through my hair. So now I'm going to be doing the go part of the wash and go. I'm taking out this first section. So this is the section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to section this section into a smaller section. And I'm just going to clip this other side away. Alright, so first in, I'm going to use a leave-in. So I have 3 different leave-ins. I have the DevaCurl B Leave-in. I have this new SheaMoisture Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-in. And I have the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-in. I really like the Kinky Curly. It definitely makes my hair more defined with the curls. But then the B Leave-in has a really good slip and it smells really good, and it also does a good job of defining my curls. And I have yet to use the SheaMoisture one, so I'm gonna go with the DevaCurl B Leave-in, and I'm gonna mix it with the SheaMoisture, and we'll see what happens. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a clear liquid, and then I'm gonna spray this, and voila! And now I'm gonna mix that in. Smells good, and just rake it through. Just make sure it's getting every part of my hair. Okay, so that's the leave-in part. And now I'm going to put in a cream styler. And today we're going to be using the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And a little bit of the DevaCurl SuperCream, like a little bit, because you don't need a whole lot of that to begin with. So like literally that much of the SuperCream, and then I got that much of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Mix it together and rake it through. And I just got this brush. It's like the Denman brush, but it's like the knockoff brand from Target. Yeah, it's called the Donna Brush. So basically it's a Denman brush, but it's knockoff. But it's supposed to help with your wash and goes. And it's a styling brush, not a detangling brush. So you need to detangle your hair, which mine is already detangled, like with the comb or your fingers before using the brush. And if it gets stuck, just use your fingers and help it rake through, but do not rip it through your hair. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Okay. And now I'm gonna just put a little bit of DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel on there. That's just kind of like to seal in all the products and help with frizziness. Like that much of that. Just gonna rub that in and just bring it through. And if you want your curls to look different, you can just put them together like that. Like if you want, like I guess like a bigger curl, just kind of finger curl them together. And if you want like a more defined curl, then you can like take each like a little small section and just curl it on its own like that. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a mix of it. So yeah, that's my hair. And I'm gonna be doing this whole process all over my head. I'm gonna twist this one together. Huh? Could do some with my edges here. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna twist that out of the way and move on to the next part. DevaCurl plus SheaMoisture. Boom. A little drop of this. A little spray of that. And mix it together. And rake it through. I will say, like, after conditioning my hair with the SheaMoisture and the DevaCurl in the shower, my hair just feels really soft and a whole lot more manageable than normal. So yeah, these curls, yo. What? All right, so next we have the leave-in. Now we're going with the cream styler, DevaCurl SuperCream, a little bit of that, the curl enhancing smoothie, that, mix it together and rake it through. Okay, and now we're gonna go through with the brush. This does feel really nice on my hair, so I'm not going to lie. Curl. One of the key things to get more definition is the sectioning of your hair. I have noticed when I don't section my hair, it turns out really poofy. So section your hair when you do this. If you want it to be more defined and a little less frizzy, sectioning really helps with that. Just twisting it out of the way. So when I'm done, I'm gonna untwist them and just kind of figure out what to do with my hair. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like now. It's almost dry, but the back part is still pretty wet. It's pretty defined. The curls are kind of thick, and it looks good. My hair shrinks up a lot, so it's up here. So yeah, but this is just a wash and go that turned out really well, and it's really easy to do. You just gotta take time to section it out. Like, I think the key to getting like defined curls that are less frizzy is the sectioning. Like, that is very important. So that is my wash and go routine. Of course, I use different products from time to time just to, you know, test stuff out. So you just use different products that you may work for you, and if it doesn't work out well, just try other products until you find something that works. So for me, that's DevaCurl, SheaMoisture, and Kinky Curly. For this set, I mean, I do use other products like Mielle. I didn't use that today, but I use Mielle Organics, DevaCurl, Mielle Organics, Kinky Curly, and DevaCurl, and SheaMoisture. Those are like my top 5 that I use pretty consistently. That's funny. But all really good products, and I mean, if you have any recommendations or anything that you want me to try, let me know, and when I get the money, I'll buy it and I'll try it out and let you know how it works for me. But yeah, but I think the key to just figuring out your hair is like taking the time and investing in different things. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be cheap, like, it's not. I used a lot of my parents' money / my own money buying these things. Choose what works best for you and however much you're willing to spend. And I mean, they have really good products that are relatively cheap, and they have really expensive products that don't work as well. So it's just testing things out and figure out which works best for you. And I hope you like my video, and if you do, go ahead and click the subscribe button. That's either gonna pop up over here or over here or just watch one of my old videos. But yeah, so thank you. Have a great day.